In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic content blocks in Constant Contact email marketing. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are inside your dashboard, open an existing email draft if you already have one started. If not, create a new email in the email editor. This is where you will build and customize the message your contacts will receive. Starting with a draft or a new email gives you a clean place to add personalized content in a controlled way. Next, go to the content sidebar inside the editor and locate the dynamic content block. This block is designed to help you show different content to different groups of contacts within the same email. When you find it, drag it into your email layout and place it where you want that personalized section to appear. Try to position it in a part of the email where the targeted message will feel natural and relevant to the reader. After that, click on the dynamic content block to open its settings. Here, you will choose the specific contact list or segment you want to target. This is an important part of the process because it tells Constant Contact which audience should see the customized version of the content. Make sure you select the correct list or segment so the right people receive the right message. Once your audience is selected, add the content you want that segment to see. This can be text, an image, or a button, depending on the kind of message you want to deliver. Keep your content clear and relevant to that audience. For example, you might highlight a specific offer, a tailored message, or a call to action that matches that group's interests. The goal is to make the email feel more personalized without creating separate campaigns. Next, define the default content. This is the content that will be shown to any contacts who do not fall into the segment you selected. This step is very important because it ensures that everyone who opens the email still sees something complete and useful. Your default content should make sense for the broader audience and fit smoothly within the rest of the email. When everything looks good, save your changes. Then you can move forward with scheduling or sending your campaign. Before sending, it is always a good idea to review the email carefully so you can confirm that each content block is set up as expected. That covers everything you need to know.